All right, I'm so glad to have you on my video. Okay, and thank you for being here. All right, now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make quick money online in one day. Okay, now if you're new to my channel, please subscribe right now and hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, YouTube got to notify you that I uploaded a video. The reason being that I promised from the onset on this channel that um, I'm going to be doing loads of tips and tricks on how you can make money online, especially doing affiliates marketing. All right, this is what I do, and I have results for what I'm doing. All right, and this is what puts money into my bank account for me. All right, now I'm going to be taking you straight to my computer screen, and I'm going to show you two sure ways. All right, wherever you are in the world, using the formula that I'm going to show you, you're going to find your way around making money on the internet. All right, so I encourage you right now to stay with me till the end of this video as I take you straight to my computer screen to show you how you can basically start to make money on the internet. And thank you for being there. All right, welcome. This is my computer screen. All right, and the first place that you can come, okay, if you want to make a quick money online, the first place I'm recommending that you come to is to ClickBank. All right, clickbank.com. Now, what is clickbank.com? Now, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. All right, it's a worldwide affiliate marketplace where you can go sign up for free. It's free to sign up. All right, and ClickBank accepts people from different countries, except for very few countries like Nigeria and Bangladesh. Okay, now you can come here and sign up for free. Okay, you sign up for free, and then you learn how to promote affiliate products online. All right, now basically most of the product on ClickBank are digital product. Now let's look at the product. Let's go to the marketplace. Now this is ClickBank marketplace. All right, and the product here, there ranges from, you can see things on art and entertainment. Basically the product here covers every area of human needs. All right, anything that you want, you can find here. That is the beautiful thing about clickbank.com. All right, anything that you can think of, you can find here. All right, from spirituality to weight loss to how to make money online, you can find these products on clickbank.com. And let me show you, give you an example from for instance, I promote things from e-business and marketing. Let me show you some of the product on e-business and marketing and how much you can earn by promoting them. Now look at this offer. Look at this offer. If you promote this product, you can earn as much as $194. And what is the name of this product? It says perpetual income 365. All right, now if you pick up this product and learn how to promote it on the internet, you can earn as much as $194. All right, folks, this is where I come to make money online. Look at this. If this one is low, this is $16, this is $48. Promoting this one like Life Marketing HQ, the most comprehensive affiliate marketing training. All right, now what is the affiliate commission for this offer? The affiliate commission is about $381. Folks, this is a blockbuster. All right, so if you want to make money online, go to ClickBank. All right, go to ClickBank. This is where we crush it from. Okay, now below this video I'm going to leave a link to the training that shows you how to pick up product from these platforms and promote them online. Okay, I'm going to leave a link to a training that shows you how to pick any product online, how to pick any affiliate product and promote them online and begin to crush it. All right, this is where we come to make money. This is where we come to smile. All right, so this is a quick one for you. You can make more gather more fact, more information about ClickBank, because I'm not going to be doing this right here. All right, now look at this offer. You can earn as much as $93 promoting it. All right, you can, this one is $19, but I promote high ticket offers here. That is what I do. I don't go for small product. I promote high ticket offers here. So you can come to clickbank.com and begin to promote products and smile to the bank. All right, I'm going to take you right now to the second place where you can go and make money online, the first one. Thank you. All right, welcome. Okay, now the second place that you can go to make money online is Expertnaire. All right, if you're in Nigeria, this is for you. Expertnaire.com. And what do you do on Expertnaire.com? You come here and you get paid for recommending high value digital product. All right, when we talk about affiliate products, please, I want to chip in this. When we talk about affiliate product, let me say 95 or 98% of these products are all digital products. Okay, what are digital products? They are products that are not physical product. Okay, they are virtual products. All right, they have to do with a product that are going to be sent to your email. They have to do with digital. All right, so we're not talking about physical products here. All right, these are high value info products. Okay, so what you do is that you go to expertnaire.com. If you are in Nigeria or from anywhere in the world, you can also do this. You go to expertnaire.com and sign in. All right, let me show you the marketplace on expertnaire.com. You sign into expertnaire.com and you begin to promote product on this platform. All right, now most of the products here are high value products. All right, the commissions are so big. For instance, look at this Ecom Baller mentorship. Okay, if you promote this product, it goes for about 99,000. You can make about 30% commission promoting this product, and you know what 30% is? Almost 100,000. You're making 30% of almost 100,000 naira promoting one single product. Okay, these are all hot products that you can promote. All you have to do is learn how to promote these things on the internet, and this is where the training I keep recommending in my videos come up. All right, now look at this product here, 30,000 naira. When you promote this product, you're making almost 30,000 naira also promoting this product. Now look at this product, Forex coaching with Michael Olatunji. All right, when you promote this product, you stand the chance to earn as much as 50,000 naira promoting this product. All right, friends, this is where we come to smile. This is where we come to make things happen. All right, so if you want to make money, just go to expertnaire.com, sign in. It takes just 10,000 naira to sign in. All right, and register here and begin to promote products on this affiliate platform. All right, you begin to promote product on this affiliate platform. All right, look at this audiobook pay method. and you can earn as much as 30,000 naira promoting this product. All right, this is where we make money, folks. I make money on this platform, I must be frank with you. So all you have to do is get the necessary training, all right, to know how to promote this product online. And it's a fast way, for you to make money online. Thank you for being there, and God bless you. All right, that was a quick one. Okay, that was a quick one on how uh, you can make money online. All right, now I don't know where you're watching me from, whether from Asia, if you're watching me from Europe, if you're watching me from America. I don't know right now, but there's one thing about making money online. Now, I just showed you some typical examples of somebody who is in Nigeria, or you are out there in another region. All right, ClickBank is a worldwide thing. Okay, and Expatnair is typical to the Nigerian setting. All right, now wherever you are, you can always find an affiliate platform. You can always find an affiliate platform. And one thing about this affiliate platform is that the product on affiliate platform, they are free products. All right, so that makes it possible for anybody, and I repeat, anybody, to set up an online business without committing a dime to any product. All right, and 95% of affiliate products are digital product. That means you don't need to handle them. All right, and the hassle of attending to customer, the hassle of customer hustling customer is not there. uh, that you don't have any problem, all right, moving the product to the customer. It's not within your responsibility. The company will have to do that for you. So you can always find an affiliate platform from wherever country you are. And one beautiful thing about ClickBank is that ClickBank is a worldwide thing. All right, it's a worldwide thing. Wherever you are in the world, you can do ClickBank, except for very few countries. But I want to mention here that apart from Expatnair and ClickBank, we have affiliate platforms like JVZoo, Digi24, Commission Junction, and loads of there. All right, that you can sign into and begin to promote their products on different platforms. All right, now please, if you want to know how to promote, if you want to learn step by step on how to promote this affiliate product, all right, because promoting them online takes skills. There are basic skills that you ought to know. All right, and that is how to set up your sales funnels. Okay, how to set up your sales funnel. All right, because every business that is done online has a sales funnel, and this is what you should be your concern to learn. All right, now I'm going to leave a link below this video of a training that will take you by the hand and show you practically how to pick up those products, or pick any product from any platform, any affiliate platform, and begin to make money from it. All right, this training will show you how to pick up any product online, set up your funnel online, and begin to make money from it. This is what I do, and I smile to the bank often. All right, I have result for what I do. I crush it online. All right, so if you follow step by step what I've just showed you, I bet you are gonna make money online, because this is what I do. I'm a social proof. All right, I'm a social proof. It is what I do, and I make money online. Please, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe right now and hit the notification button, and also leave a comment if what I'm if the information I'm throwing out here is enlightening. All right, please leave a comment, tell me how you feel about it, and then tell me if ask me questions through the comment box. Okay, I'm ready to answer your questions, and thank you for being there till the end of this video. God bless you, and we see in the next video.